What is a chart of accounts? A chart of accounts is an organized list of every account held in a general ledger. You can think of it as an index that categorizes a business's financial transactions into different accounts. What does a chart of accounts look like? A chart of accounts is usually divided into 5 main categories. We have assets, liabilities, and equity, which are balance sheet accounts, and then revenue and expenses, which belong on the income statement. Each category is given a range of account numbers to keep things organized and easy to find. For example, assets might use the 1000s, liabilities could get the 2000s, equity the 3000s, revenue the 4s, and expenses the 5s. These 5 groups of accounts are the same across all businesses because they align with the structure of financial statements. But the specific accounts can vary depending on the industry and the type of business. Allow me to demonstrate with 3 quick examples. We have a service business, a retail business, and a manufacturing business. We'll start with a service-based business. Bring It On, which is an advertising agency. Its chart of accounts might look like this. Under assets, we have cash, accounts receivable, prepaid expenses, and property, plant, and equipment. This is the stuff that Bring It On owns, and as you can see, all the account numbers begin with a 1. Bring It On also has some liability accounts. There's accounts payable, salaries payable, deferred or unearned revenue, and accrued expenses. These represent the stuff that it owes to external parties, and the codes begin with a 2. Then we have a couple of equity accounts, owner's equity and retained earnings. These represent what the business owes to its owners. The accounts start with a 3. Then at 4,000, we have service revenue since Bring It On provides services to its clients. And finally, we have the expense accounts in the 5,000s. Cost of services, overhead expenses, interest expenses, and tax expenses. I hope that makes sense.